Yeah, looks like real life. What's up, everybody? It's your host, David Blur, aka Deviation, aka Crypto Mike Tyson in this bitch. Little tiny short trade that I'm just playing with is what I wanted to show you. It's not gonna be a long live stream, just really a short update on what I'm doing right now. So I've been watching this level. Let me show you real quick. You see this blue trend line, let me make it even thicker. So this blue trend line is on the 15 minutes. I connected the closes, you see, not the wicks, and I was just watching it, and I've decided to try out my strategy. What I'm trying to test right now is super simple. We have basically you don't need nothing except of these trend lines, so you can turn off all indicators. Maybe they are also confusing. You just see if you are breaking this level. If Bitcoin price is breaking this trend lines, like right here, the support line has been broken, and I opened a short right here. Super tiny, because I'm just playing around, and I've set the take profit orders like lining up all the way down, because I have no idea where it's gonna go. The stop loss is somewhere above this trend line, so somewhere here. So because if the price goes up again up until this level, then so it's gonna be a fake out. I wanna go out of this trade. So just super tiny, nothing special, because I'm just trying to test out this idea. What I might do is, when I see it's stabilizing at these levels, I might just go out of this trade, so not to give it a chance to reverse and hit my stop loss. But we will see. Maybe right now what I could do is just lower the stop loss a little bit. So let's get rid of all the indicators. Alright. So should I lower the stop loss or not? Not sure. But anyways, there's something else I see. And it's pretty much always the case if you have such a trend line which is going from left to right, and like this, then you will also see some W action. So let's draw some W's here, like from here to here, from here to here. It's a W. So exactly at this point we are encountering some resistance. Probably I should set the take profit at exact this area. Wait a second. Alright. So, and if we break this area, this neckline of the double top of the M, did I say W before? No, I mean it's a double top. So if we break this neckline, then we might also expect some more downwards movement like this, which might take us to all the way to 31,000 up until this week approximately. But I don't think that that's likely, because we have very strong support there. Let me first remove this line. We have very strong support at those levels. Look here, this red line. It's at least on the 15-minute, so we can draw this support line at least on the 15-minute from here to here, probably also on the 30-minute. Let me check. Okay, yeah, 30-minute as well. Let me readjust it a little bit like this. So it's, if we connect this to closes, yeah, I think we will reverse right here with very high degree of certainty. I think we will reverse right here and go back, at least if we go this low. Usually, looking at this blue trend line, the most traders would call it something like a ascending triangle that broke down, and the target is either the height of it or at least the bottom of the triangle, of the wedge. And so this would be the conventional target, this area, but I think we're not gonna go there. So okay, you get the point. The red line is a strong support, and I think we will reverse at least there. Okay, let's see. Some of none of my take profits have been hit yet, so now we're trying to go back. You know, that's interesting. Now we might reverse all the way up and go up again, but we have slightly more chances, probability that we continue to go down, because this trend line has been broken. It's not just a simple M, it's a like a skewed M. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's check out the Heiken Knife. On the Heiken Knife, we are still quite bearish. So yeah, this is just a short update on my trade that I'm running right now. Probably I will just let it run, and even if it goes higher, I let the stop loss hit probably, and just call it a day, and just hope that it goes all the way down and hit those levels, and I will update you at latest tomorrow on this trade. And while I'm still on the live stream, I think I'm just gonna lower the stop loss just right above the 200 EMA, because Bitcoin likes to respect it. Matter of fact, let me you know what? Let me first check out the SMMA, 200 SMMA, because what I saw a couple of times is that it's being respected even more, so it's a little bit more accurate sometimes. So let's check it compared to exponential moving average. So the smooth moving average, let me change it to 200. So, and the color, let's make it thick, very thick, and give it this color, the blue. Alright, okay. Oh, it's way up above. Okay, let's play around with it a little bit. Let's make it 100. What I want to see is the moving average, which is being respected by these weeks. and it is the SMMA. So this is actually the 200 smooth moving average, as you can see here. Yeah, that's it. That's what I meant. On the 15-minute, we get strong rejections from here. But the 200 EMA is not as much respected as this. So the point being that if I put my stop loss here, might get hit and then still go down. But okay, it's not much money that I lose. I'm just playing around with it, testing my strategies. Let's see how much I would lose if the stop loss would hit. It would be something like, yeah, $6-7. It's just little. I know it's tiny, but I'm playing with this. I'm very careful actually right now. Let me just tell you real quick before I close this stream. In the beginning I made quite a bit of money, but then I lost it all and I went in the negatives. So I burnt myself quite a bit. So right now I'm very careful, just looking for best setups and trying to get my confidence back. So now we're going for a retest, probably. Okay, one last check. We're looking very good. This blue trend line is quite strong. We went down and I expect it to go lower. I will just have some patience. Okay, thank you for watching. I will update you later on this. Goodbye.